Hello, I'm once again here with file systems. I believe I also talked about it before, but I found a really good PDF, actually multiple PDFs, and I will be talking about it. C drive equals heart. Alright, I heart the C drive. Alright, so before I go, Cyber Aces Online. This is actually a CTF, Capture the Flag, which is a like hacking computer competition. So they have some like training things. So I picked a couple PDFs that I thought were most important and most relevant to Cyber Patriot, because some of them are really basic that you should know how to do, like setting up a VMware or setting up other VM softwares, and really basic like this is a user and whatnot. So you guys should know that by now. I did a video on how to set up VMware for the most part, how to get it running and whatnot. So I'm just gonna jump into this. Alright, next slide. Alright, Windows file system. So the host drive that has the operating system is usually called the C drive. By default, Windows calls it C drive. It is always a C drive. If you buy a computer, it'll most likely be a C drive unless the manufacturer changed it to something really dumb or whatnot. Root folder is it says top directory. I can't. Can I? No, I can't. I wish I could draw on this. I'm sure there's some way of drawing. Anyways, root folder top directory of C is C/. So if we go to computer, local disk C right there. Then we go here, C/. That's how you type, call to it. Floppy disks are typically A and B, but no one uses them anymore. Removable media is D, E, and so on. My second drive is D, because D comes after C, because I have two drives, and I'm probably going to get a third one, so that will be most likely E. Whenever I plug in a flash drive, it always says removable media E. You can name your drives whatever you want. Before my computer, I had to reinstall Windows before that. My other drive was called X, so I just called it drive X. Just why not? Network resources can be mapped to drive letters, so you can call to like to C with a program or whatnot. If you ever install a game or any program, there's always like, usually it's under either the advanced user option or just straight up it'll be like, where do you want to install this? C, semicolon slash whatever. Any of the 26 letters can be used. Like I said, I used X because you can just go in there and rename it whatever you want. So this is a big one, because not always, but sometimes, if I remember correctly, Cyber Patriot does not use 64-bit software or operating systems, because it's just they want compatibility with everything. They don't want any teams not be able to compete. But if you ever opened up computer or C drive right there, these two right here, program files and program files 86. So program files is a 60-bit or 64-bit folder. So if you have any programs that utilize 64-bit, antiviruses, some games, not really. You see, I really don't have that much in here. And then 32-bit, I have quite a lot in there. So 68, just remember that is for 32-bit applications. And that's pretty much all you need to know with that. You should know where the documents are. All you do is documents. There you go. Nothing special there. And application configuration goes to program data. So you'd go here. You'd go to, that's app data. Okay. You go to, there you go, C drive, and then program data. Where are you? Oh, there you go. Alright, only if it says C/program data. Alright, I'm in C. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? They lied to me. What? What? Hidden. I do have hidden files. Alright, let's see this. Option view. What? I didn't have hidden files on? What? Can't believe myself. Alright, there we go. Program data. Wow, that explains so much. I'm pretty sure you should have hidden. I had hidden files. That's a note. Have hidden files. Always have hidden files showing, especially during Cyber Patriot. They'll try to put something there. I know I had it. I know I had it. So you go to either organize or view, depending on what version of Windows you're at. View or folder/source options. You go to view, and it's this one. It's the only one with 2 options here, other than the typing one. No one cares about typing though. All right. So this just says contacts is in contacts. Desktop is in your desktop, which is under your username. Downloads, favorites, whatnot. Alright, symbolic links. We're not getting into that. These are not important for Cyber Patriot. This video is for Cyber Patriot. File permissions. This is somewhat important. Alright, so file permissions is what you can do. You can go right click, go to properties, go to security. Alright. And under here say user. Why not user? Alright, so for the C drive, I can read and execute. I can list folders, content, and I can read. I cannot write directly to the C drive. Actually, I can write directly to the C drive because I'm admin. Alright, there we go. I'm admin, so I can do all that. And then, so there should be only a few here. Authenticated users, I'm not sure. I haven't seen that in XP, I don't think. Might just be a 7 or Vista, but don't quote me on that. You have your system, so system can do whatever the heck it wants, because it's Windows and it owns it. Admins, so me and admins. And then normal users. And then also there should be yours, I believe, and maybe Cyber Patriot, depending on, they use different systems and programs that they have it all set up. So read, reads it, writes, allows you to actually write files there. Full control, pretty much does whatever you want to do with it, including to ability to modify others' access to files. Read and execute, so you can run it, and modify, which allows you to change files. Alright, not much. Allow and deny, you should know what those mean. Alright, so here's the procedure. Explicit denial, explicit allow, inherit denial, inherit allow. Now permissions are given to higher procedures. More or less that what it means is it's on the safe side, and it will, unless you, by default, it will deny you it instead of allow you it. Because essentially I'm simplifying it right now, but you wouldn't want to, if you make a new user for something, you wouldn't want to have to go in there and deny them. It should be, if you're making like 1,000 users for a business or whatnot, then it will be on deny unless you give them the explicit permission. Congratulations, exercise complete. You've completed the system files module. So not a hard one, but just a couple key things to remember is make sure that, say they might give you a scenario like Jim has an account on here, but he should not be able to write on anything. His account should only be able to read certain files or whatnot. So you could either go to the whole C drive or each individual file or folder, and then right click, go to properties, go to security, and deny Jim or the local user or the non-admins access to, say, write to that folder or to modify it or to even run it if it is a .exe or whatnot. So hopefully this has helped you guys understand what the C drive and where everything goes and what everything is.